name is Ishal Tariq, and I'm literally just a girl.
And my name is Veera Rajput, and you all have to tolerate me once again.
And today we're going to be reacting to a bunch of men. So, Miss Fira, what do you think about men?
Anyways,
Yeah. So, our team has collected a bunch of videos.
let's watch it together.
Let's watch them.
Yep.
Let's go.
Misogynist. It's a word used to describe men who women want to fuck. And it's used by women who nobody wants to fuck.
I mean, I use that word, and look at me. Who wouldn't want to
Everyone
fuck
wants
me?
to.
Who wouldn't want to fuck me? Like, let's be real. I think that's stupid. I think that whole
That's bullshit.
assumption is stupid.
I think इसको भी वही toxic masculinity वाली बीमारी है जिसको
And it's just like
I think
generalizing women. And I feel like we should just leave generalization behind. It's 2024.
It's 2024.
Let's stop
Yep.
generalizing men. Let's stop generalizing women. Let's just stop generalizing people in general. Like, there's like, it's not always black and white. There has to be a gray. Yeah. What do you think?
I think these all men who are like this are like thinking still the same in 2024, and they don't want to educate themselves. They purposefully don't want to educate themselves, and
Yeah,
I have
it's lazy
always said
behavior.
that it is not that we are wanting equality in all the aspects. Of course, men are physically strong and women are not. So there should be no debate on that,
Yeah.
and we should like move on as educated society.
Yeah, you're just being lazy if you're still like this. Let's stop being lazy. It's 2024. Moving on.
How guys fall in love versus how girls fall in love. You guys are falling in love quickly. You see a girl and just looking at her, you're already in love with her. You already think that she's the one and you think she's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. Women, on the other hand, are going to evaluate you a lot more. Women fall in love over time. They don't just see a guy and instantly fall in love with him. And they see a guy and they're attracted to him. The things that you do, and over the course of time of her getting to know you, that's how she falls in love with you.
That's right.
I agree with
I
that.
agree with that
I
as
agree
well.
with that. I think men like totally fall so easily.
So easily. It is like लड़कों को फंसाना मेरी नजर में सबसे
बहुत
आसान
आसान काम है
बहुत आसान
बंदा
काम है
पटाना I'm telling you guys it's the most
सबसे आसान
easy.
काम है I'll walk down the aisle and I'll get 3 men. It's
Exactly.
that.
Like
अगर मर्द के पास 2 choices है तो समझो औरतों के पास 200 2000 है
exactly that's what I was trying to say.
और हम लोग उनमें से इस तरह से करके छांटी मारती हैं और 1 2 3 4 चूज करती हैं
अब
उसमें
बेचारे
से
लाइक बंदे भी तो बेचारे की उनके ऊपर भी तो है मुझे तरस आता है वैसे बंदों के ऊपर
Why?
उन बेचारों के पास चॉइसेस भी तो कम है ना फिर उसी चॉइसेस में वो बेचारे फिर ये वाली बीमारियां लेके बैठ जाते हैं मैं सोचनी वाली
वो जब ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं
हाँ they do that.
But I agree with the video.
I agree. I totally agree with
Yes.
that. Women evaluate a lot more because we,
A
again
woman
we have
can easily like pull a man, but
हमारे
a
पास
man
खोने के
cannot.
लिए भी तो बहुत कुछ होता है फिर
Like
मर्दों के पास कुछ खोने के लिए नहीं होता अगर we have make the wrong choice with the men हमारे पास खोने के लिए बहुत कुछ है.
exactly, yes.
and when men make a wrong choice it's just like
Nothing major can happen.
another Sunday for them
Exactly.
of bad choices.
Let's roll further.
Let's move on.
I'm not into all the other bullshit. I think
What other bullshit?
the they and them.
Yeah.
And all that extra shit that we added during the pandemic because everyone was so bored on their fucking houses. They just started to make up more shit and more
More
shit.
stuff, more stuff?
Yeah. That's what like conservatives like me because I'm just real.
Did you have a conservative
You're not
bias
they and
there?
them. You're trans, you're male or you're female.
And you're standing on
I
that.
get so mad when I say that. How are you a they? What the fuck does that mean? It's stupid is what it is.
Yeah.
But you need someone like me that looks like me to say it. Because if you say it, it turns into you're homophobic, you hate trans people, you hate gays. And it's just how you feel. You don't hate anyone. You just think it's stupid.
I'm gonna talk about this in the Pakistani context because we're in Pakistan हम लोग अमेरिका में नहीं बैठी हैं
Globally भी इस पे बात कर सकते हैं.
नहीं हम पाकिस्तानी context में बात करेंगे I think it's a privilege to get called they and them and most people don't have that privilege I mean we don't have the education for it I mean I'm totally
पाकिस्तान तो
gonna
इस हिसाब से बहुत पीछे है.
हाँ I'm totally gonna respect your pronouns whatever they are I'm totally gonna
But do
call
you agree with
that.
the video? Do you agree with that?
I feel like gender is not a binary I feel like gender has more aspects to it
Explain me more. Like what are you trying to say?
खाली she or her or he or him थोड़ी ना है इस दुनिया में
I think we are above that.
हाँ ये तो
Gender is
बहुत
above that.
वाइट colonial thing है like even in like हमारे ख्वाजा सरा कल्चर में
Yeah.
हमारे पास दे एंड देम है हमारे पास माई मुंडे हैं हमारे पास मूर्ति
हमारा अपना कल्चर बड़ा रिच है.
हाँ we have a rich culture and हमारे
And
culture
I agree with her on
him
him. And
That has to be a debate, by the way. Girl, how you look like that and you say some shit like that?
exactly. But
Like, you literally look like a day and that. You have a fucking
That's
like
funny. Tell another one.
multicolored fucking wig on with like tons of makeup and like no
like
boobs.
weird tattoos all over your body. Like,
Yeah, you literally
he is
are.
the perfect example of day and them.
Yeah, you literally are a day and
Exactly.
them.
But I agree with him on this video. I
How?
think people were bored in COVID, and I think people made shit up, and I think people are like just
I feel
going
like
with it.
Caesar or your neo-pronounce
Caesar,
is like
Caesar,
asking
like-
too much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna respect
Girl,
it,
there
but
are,
let's
like,
be real, it's asking too
76
much.
different pronouns. What are you gonna do with that?
हाँ, हर किसी की mental capabilities भी इतनी नहीं होती कि वो
Exactly.
they learn that.
अब हर
pronouns.
इंसान आपसे आपके या जनरली वो प्रोनाउंस पे स्टडी करके थोड़ी ना मिलेगा. वो तो आप जैसे दिखते होंगे वो उस बेसिस पे वो आपको जज करके
But if I
प्रोनाउंस.
know you on a personal level,
Exactly.
if I know you that well, I'm gonna respect that and I'm gonna learn that for you.
Exactly.
But if you're someone like walking down the fucking
Exactly,
aisle,
that's
don't
what I
know.
was trying to
I
say.
don't know what to call you. I'm
Yeah.
gonna simply refer you as a they or them.
So I'll end up saying that I agree with him.
I do not. I do not agree with him.
What?
I just do not agree with him as a person. Let's just be real.
Her makeup is very
This is
good though.
hypocrisy, bitch. This is literally hypocrisy.
No, she said in the start
He-
that that's.
See?
How can I
See?
like say
See?
he while she looks like this? Like whatever.
Exactly.
Should we go
Yeah,
on?
let's move on.
Women say men are insecure. Men are insecure. He's more educated than them. Yes, we are. You know why? Not for the reason that you think. It's because we want to give to you. We want to provide for you, and we want that provision to be valued. If I give to a woman who has more than me, she'll take it, but she won't be as grateful for that provision as a woman who doesn't have as much as me. Don't you understand? We want to give to you. We want to care for you. We want to provide for you. We want to protect you. And we want it to be valued as well. If you have more than your man, there's no way for you to fully appreciate what he's given to you because you have more than him. In fact, you will probably resent him for not bringing as much to the table as you.
Oh god, it's 2024. Come on, grow the fuck up.
I mean, when we ask you guys to like provide for us, we're called gold diggers.
Like then what else are you supposed to do? I
हम
don't
लोग
get
तो
it.
बेचारी हम लोग भी तो फंस चुकी है ना. हम लोग कहते हैं कि हमें काम करने दो.
वो काम नहीं करने
काम
देते
नहीं
हैं.
करने दे रहे. जब हम कहते हैं कि
पैसे दो तो ऐसे नहीं देते. करना क्या चाहते हैं? चाहते
क्या हो तुम? चाहते क्या हो? हाँ? क्या चाहते हो?
क्या है? I don't like it. मैं बहुत तंग आ चुकी हूँ
मैं तंग
guys.
आ चुकी हूँ मर्दों से. बहुत like इन बेचारों का अंदर का इनर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ही नहीं खत्म होने देता.
अपने आप से ही इनकी कोई जंग है जो चल रही है.
इन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि हम लोग प्रोवाइड करें, हम औरतों की बातें सुने. नहीं हमें इनका बाप भी बनना है, नहीं हमें इनका प्रोवाइडर भी बनना है, नहीं हमें इनका भाई भी बनना है, हमें इनका बेटा भी बनना है. मॉमी इश्यूज भी आप लोगों को बहुत हैं.
इंडिपेंडेंट भी होना चाहिए औरत को.
और डिपेंडेंट भी होना चाहिए.
Like,
और घर गृहस्थी भी आनी चाहिए.
इसने
और बच्चों
स्टार्ट
की
में
अच्छी
एक बात
माँ भी बननी
कही
चाहिए.
कि
My God.
if I provide a woman and that woman has already so much, so she won't appreciate it as much. Like I was like, that doesn't make any sense to me.
No, if you're being a nice person and you're just like doing the best you can, I think that's enough.
I
That's
think
what we want.
ऐसा वुमेन या कोई गर्ल की या थिंकिंग इस तरह की होंगी कि वो
लेकिन औरतें भी दूध की धुली भी तो नहीं.
नहीं होती, बट वो हमेशा से ये कहती है कि अगर कोई जेन्युइनली केयर शो करता है ना उनके लिए और ग्रेटिट्यूड शो करता है, औरत हमेशा उसमें खुश रहती है.
नहीं, कुछ औरतें नहीं रहती. That is true. कुछ गोल्ड डिगर्स
तू होती
होती हैं.
होगी. मैं तो नहीं हूँ ऐसी.
Okay, not the calling out. तुम खुश हो जाती हो.
हाँ, अगर किसी के पास कम पैसे और वो उसमें से भी जो है वो मेरे लिए कर रहा है
मैं भी
जितना
वही
वो
कह
कर
रही हूँ.
सकता है.
गश्ती मैं भी वही कह रही हूँ कि हाँ अगर जितना है तुम्हारे पास तुम उसमें से कर रहे हो मेरे लिए,
तो वही मेरे लिए बहुत
मेरे
बड़ी
लिए
बात
काफी
है.
मैं खुश हूँ.
एग्जैक्टली माय पॉइंट.
हाँ बट लाइक वो मेरा पूरा नहीं हो रहा, वो मुझे खुद ही करना पड़ेगा.
वो मैं कर लूंगी. I have my ways.
That is cheating. See, this is what
No,
women
I'm a
are
working
hypocritical
woman.
too.
What?
Women are hypocritical too.
They are. I agree with
हाँ,
that.
हमें अपना रोल भी थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा. We are also very confused as a gender.
Well, this is episode against men.
But like, हाँ. We're not doing that today.
on.
Let's move.
बॉलीवुड मूवीज में जिस तरह दिखाया जाता है ना कि आंखें फाड़ फाड़ के एक बंदा देख रहा है, पीछे ही पड़ गया लड़की आई थिंक मस्कुलिनिटी का ताल्लुक जो है ना वो तो है इससे कि बंदा अपनी नजरें झुकाए। और मैं एक अपना आंखों देखा वाकया आपको बताऊं कि मैं फैमिली के साथ पार्क में वॉक कर रहा था और पाकिस्तानी मर्दों की खास आदत है कि नजर डालनी औरत पे, तो चाहे औरत निकाब में भी। बिल्कुल। तो लिटरली सब जो है, हालांकि मेरी फैमिली पर्दे में थी, सब जो है ना वो इसी तरह नजरें डाल के, लेकिन एक नौजवान गुजरा और वो नजरें झुका के गुजरा, तकरीबन 18-19 में। और मतलब क्या वजहत उसकी मुझे फील हुई, क्या उसका जिसे कहते हैं ना सख्त लुड़ा, ये थोड़ा सा वो वर्ड है, लेकिन जो खूबसूरती मुझे उस टाइम फील हुई ना उसकी, सुभान अल्लाह, आई थिंक दिस इज मस्कुलिनिटी।
Yeah.
आई थिंक
मर्दी
ये वीडियो
beauty,
उन
हाँ.
सारे मौलवियों के मुंह पे एक बहुत जोरदार चांटा है जो कि
Exactly.
ये बातें करते रहते हैं। असली मर्दानगी से कहते हैं।
असली मर्दानगी यही होती है कि you make a woman feel safe, you
Woman
make a
feels safe.
woman feel secure.
यार दिस इज अ सैड रियलिटी, बट अगर औरत नकाब में फुल पर्दे में, जाली वाले पर्दे में भी जा रही होगी तो उसे
हाँ.
लड़के और ज्यादा देखेंगे कि तुम ऐसा क्या छुपा रही हो।
अच्छा, मैं दोनों तरीके से बाहर निकल चुकी हूँ। मैंने पर्दा भी किया हुआ
Exactly.
है,
कोई
मैंने
फर्क नहीं है।
हाँ, कोई लिटरली कोई फर्क नहीं है। एक्चुअली नकाब या अबाए में वो आपको और ज्यादा देखते हैं
कि ऐसा क्या छुपा
ऐसा
रही
क्या है उसके
हाँ
अंदर कि वो
जी।
छुपा रही है।
सिक मेंटालिटी।
Sick people, but I totally agree with
आई
this.
टोटली एग्री विद हिम।
हाँ.
ये वीडियोस में जरा कौन सा मौलवी था वो? मौलवी मुफ्ती सईदुर रहमान है आई गेस वो।
नहीं, तारिक मसूद।
तारिक मसूद, उसको मैं अभी सेंड डीएम कर
She's just naming random Maulvis. Random Maulvi का मैसेज आएगा, आप मेरे बारे में क्यों बात कर रही हैं बाजी?
बोलो वो गाइस आर ऑल काइंड ऑफ सेम सो।
See, generalization. And I feel like we should just leave generalization behind. It's 2024.
It's 2024.
For example, maybe my mother that she told me how to treat women, how to treat girls. Yeah, when, for example, you go you're going out on a date, should you see her off to her home? Should you take her to this place? Should you say this? I feel like that would have been so much easier because most of this stuff I had to discover on my own through a lot of trials and errors. A lot of errors. Like my parents should have taught me then how to, for example, maybe my mom that should have told me how to treat women.
So if you're going on a date,
Yeah.
would you like the guy to pay for it or would you go like 50-50?
On the first day I would like to guy to pay it.
The guy should pay?
Yeah.
And फिर उसके बाद dates पे अगर तुम you guys go
Like if you are going frequently on dates,
हाँ.
then of course
50-50.
कभी like not 50-50, कभी वो दे दे कभी मैं दे दूँ. It go both ways.
लेकिन किसी ने अगर वो कहे कि 50-50 करें
Yeah. No problem, no issues.
अच्छा, I would never pay for a date.
That's a you problem, bitch. मर्द को भी तो सोचो, मर्द बड़ी प्यारी चीज है. उसका भी तो सोचो.
We're not doing here Amani part 2 in this bitch. नहीं, but like bitch, I look pretty enough कि I don't need to pay.
अब वही बात है ना, बंदा बहन बार बार पे कर करके करीब भी तो हो जाएगा ना. उसको भी तो रिलीफ दो.
फिर ना लेकर जाओ डेट पे अगर
कहाँ
नहीं है
बुलाया वो
तब पर।
तुम्हें? कहाँ मिले वो तुमसे?
ये भी है
यही बात तो है.
खेत में देखिए अनमोल हम लोग कैसे बना रहे हैं।
but like men should pay.
Not all the time. My point is like no, not all
मेरी
the time.
बात सुनो, हमें पेट्रियार्की ऑलरेडी बहुत अंदर दबा रही है। तुम लोग पे कर सकते हो, like you have the privilege. Go for it. Be the gentleman.
It's a very sweet gesture.
it's a sweet gesture. But if you're
you can
gonna-
be sweet sometimes as well. That's my point.
हाँ, I can.
Yeah.
That is true.
Yep.
I agree with you on that. I can be sweet too.
Exactly.
I can like spoil him sometimes too.
You can gift him for stuff.
No, I don't think men deserve that. Moving on.
This bitch is concerned. I love man.
She loves
What's been the
men.
most difficult part about transition? You could.
I'm gonna be honest, it's a lot easier than being a woman, so I don't have a lot of complaints. Male privilege is real.
It's real?
It's real and I've got it.
It's real. Male privilege is real.
Male privilege is real. Men and women treat me better. People respect my thoughts more. That's sad.
It's kind of fucked up.
It is very fucked up.
I
They
mean-
both were trans men, right?
Yes, they both were trans men, by the way, and this just proves our point.
Exactly. Exactly.
Being a man in this world is just a lot easier.
A lot easier. A lot. Survival में बहुत easy है.
Huh. And I don't know why we need to feel, why we need to debate about this.
यार एक
कि
मर्द
men
के
have that
मुकाबले में
privilege.
औरत जाके कुछ लेने भी जाएगी ना वो ग्रोसरी भी, तो वो ऑब्जेक्टिफाई होगी.
और लेकिन मर्दों को अपनी प्रिविलेज का मतलब दे डोंट ओन अप टू दैट.
Yeah.
अगर मैं मर्द होती मैं तो इतना ओन करती अपनी प्रिविलेज को.
Exactly.
लोग की अब्यूज भी करती जो बात है.
या जो कि आजकल के मर्द करते भी हैं.
करते भी हैं.
बट दे डोंट ओन इट. वी लाइक के हम तो मर्द हैं, हमें तो ऐसे ही करना है, हम तो ऐसे ही हैं.
But like jokes apart, men should like use their privilege in
a very healthy way.
Yeah.
Not a disgusting and a poor way.
Yeah. But like this just proves our point.
Yeah,
we have
exactly.
trans men.
See, इन दोनों ने
they have lived the both experiences.
both experiences. As a woman भी इन्होंने लाइफ गुजारी और they just said कि वो वाला privilege मिल ही नहीं सकता औरत को जो मर्द के पास है.
That is factual stuff.
That is factual stuff.
उसके लिए हमें कोई surveys and we don't need stuff for
Exactly.
that. That is factual.
Let's roll further, guys.
Let's roll another one.
बच्चों को मैं भी संभालता हूँ. वो थक के आती है तो जिंजर वाली चाय भी उबालता हूँ. लड़का और लड़की में फर्क बहुत है और ये फर्क खूबसूरत है. ये मैं जानता हूँ. पर फर्क करने को सबसे बड़ा गुनाह मानता हूँ. शायद इसीलिए अपने बेटे से कहता हूँ कि जरूरी नहीं उनके लिए कुर्सी खींचना है, गाड़ी का दरवाजा खोलना, पर जब कुछ गलत हो सबसे पहले बोलना. क्योंकि सिक्स पैक से नहीं बनते हैं मर्द, ना ज्यादा कमाने से बनते हैं, ना चिल्लाने से, ना आंसू छुपाने से बनते हैं. किसी और को ठंड लगती है तो दिल उसका भी सर्द होता है. कि जिसको दर्द होता है असल में वही मर्द होता है.
बात अच्छी की लेकिन वो जो म्यूजिक बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा था और जैसे
मोटिवेट हो गई ना अचानक
मैं
से.
थोड़ा क्रिंज आउट हुई हूँ. बात अच्छी की.
बात उसने बिल्कुल पते की है कि वो फर्क है और वो फर्क खूबसूरत है.
तुमने
उस
वो
फर्क
देखी
के साथ पीस बनाना है.
सॉरी मुझे से वो याद आ गया, वो बाबिल खान वाली जो मीम्स चल रही थी अभी. बाबिल खान पता है तुम्हें, वो इरफान खान का जो बेटा है. And he's very like he's like a gentleman to women और वो he goes out of his way कि नहीं मैम you come forward, no you do it, no I'll come move back.
वो जो एक मीम चली थी जो वो लड़की पिक्चर्स खिंचवा रही होती है अपनी और वो बीच में आ जाता है और वो कहता है नहीं. Yeah, I have seen that.
What do you think about men like the Babil Khan?
Next, it's like that.
It's too much.
It's too clingy. It's too cheese.
It's too cheesy.
Yeah. No.
वैसे what do women want? हम भी किसी हाल में खुश नहीं हैं.
वो ज्यादा भी नहीं चाहिए, कम भी नहीं चाहिए, बैलेंस में चाहिए ना यार. समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
सब बीच का चाहिए
हमें. Exactly. जिसको अपने बीच के होने से भी मसला ना हो, वो अपनी फेमिनिटी को भी embrace करे, masculinity को भी embrace करे. I'm trying to prove a point here. Oh my god. Never.
She kind of ate that up though. Let's move on.
And
we're done.
Yeah, we are done. Oh my god, I had so much fun.
I had so much fun this episode. I love talking about men.
Loved
You
it.
love talking about men.
All the time, 24/7.
I think you like men more than me, Wes.
Definitely, no doubts at all.
But do men like you?
Ask my fans. They all are watching.
Yeah, and they're commenting.
So guys, it's a lovely episode and I'll wrap up today for both of us. See you all in the next one.
Bye bye. And go like and
Subscribe, comment, share.
do
do
your
everything.
stuff.
Make it viral.
You know what to do.